Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of fluid mechanics and machinery. The topic is fluid properties, static, buoyancy, and manometry. Question number 8 is a U tube manometer with a small quantity of mercury is used to a static pressure difference between two locations A and B in a conical section, through which an incompressible fluid flows at a particular flow rate. The mercury column appears as shown in figure. The density of mercury is 13600 kilogram per meter cube and G is 9.81 meter per second cube. Which of the following is correct? Option A, the flow direction is A to B and PA minus PB is 20 kPa. Option B, flow direction is B to A and PA minus PB is 1.4 kPa. Option C, the flow direction is A to B and PB minus PA is 20 kPa. Option D, the flow direction is B to A and PB minus PA is 1.4 kPa. So this is the manometer connected to this pipe. Okay, this is 150 mm. Okay, so here this is your mercury head, and above that is a water head. Okay, and bottom and here there is 145 mm. So there is water head. Above that is water head. Both are same for this thing and this thing are same, and this thing and this thing is same for both the links. Okay, so the difference of pressure will be only due to this mercury head and this water head of 150 mm. Okay, so at 111 the pressure should be same. So sorry, total pressure should be same, and total pressure is PA. At location for the pressure is PA, and this is your rho G 150 into 1000. So taking this part only, rho G 150 into 1000, and here the pressure is PB. Okay, and this pressure has been cancelled out from this. Okay, so we'll take the mercury pressure rho m G into 150 by 1000. Okay, so uh, now if we put the rho m for mercury at 13.6, we get this PA minus PB is equal to 212.4 minus rho G 150 by 1000. But here rho is not given. The what fluid is flowing, that is not given. Okay, so assuming that the rho is very small as compared to mercury head. Okay, and because fluid is not water and rho is we can assume small. Okay, so this thing can be neglected. So answer will be your 20 kPa, and pressure is more here and less here, as PA minus PB is positive. So the flow will take place from this portion to this portion. In terms of rho, the answer is 20 kPa. So this is the questions asked in previous paper. Okay, so flow will take place from higher pressure region to low pressure region. So uh, answer is your 20 kPa. Okay, next, two pipelines, one carrying oil, mass density 900 kilogram per meter cube, and the other water are connected to a manometer as shown in the figure. By what amount the pressure in the water pipe should be increased so that the mercury level in both the limbs of manometer becomes equal? Mass density of mercury is equal to 13550 kilogram per meter cube and G is equal to 9.81 meter per second cube. Option A 24.7 kPa, option B 26.5 kPa, option C 26.7 kPa, option D 28.9 kPa. Okay, So this is uh, here the oil is having density 9000. Okay, and there are two pipelines. So this is the figure given. Okay, and here the mercury level difference is 20 centimeters. So taking this as it is and finding out the pressure difference PA and PA minus PB. So balancing pressure at 1 1 and at 1 1. So that is PA is pressure here, and rho A GH1, rho A is density of this fluid, and H1 is your 3 meters. Okay, so that is the pressure in the left lane, and this is the uh, here the so this is the pressure at left lane, and H1 is your 3 meters, and rho is your 900. Okay, and this is the 9 meters. Okay, this is in the left limb, and now on the right limb it will be PB plus rho B GH2, rho B GH2 plus rho M GH3 plus rho M GH3. So PB rho B is your rho B is your 1000 because this is water, 9.81, and H2 is your 1.5, and rho M is this is your mercury, so that is 13.55. It is given that, and 1000, so that is the density of mercury, 3.55 into 1000, and this is 9.81, and this is 20 centimeters, 20 by 100. So equating 1 and 2, we have PA minus PB. PA minus PB is equal to 14813.1. Okay, so option sorry. So this is question number A. Okay, so this is the pressure difference when it is at the initial position. Okay, so that is 14813.1. Okay, so when this mercury level become equal, so then this fluid will go by 10 centimeters, down by 10 centimeters. This fluid will go by up by 10 centimeters. Okay, so this will be your 2.9 meter, this will be 1.6 meter, 2.9, and here 1.6. Okay, so balancing head in the left limb, PA plus rho GH. So PA plus 900 into 9.81 into 2.9, and in the right limb it is sorry, in the right limb it is PB new, because we have to change only the pressure PB. Question is by what amount the pressure of the water pipe. So water pipe is your B pipe. We are changing pressure here, and so that this level becomes equal. Okay, so on the right limb it will be PB new 1.6 into 9.81. Okay, because now this mercury column is at the same level in both the limbs. Okay, so there will be no pressure difference due to mercury. Okay, so this is PB new, this is your PB, sorry, this is your pressure on right limb, this is pressure on left limb. So equating these two, we get PA minus PB as 148.1. Okay, so putting the values, and okay, so PA minus PB here 14813.9. Okay, so now sorry, this will be your minus 9908. Okay, some mistake there. And initially the PA minus PB is 14813.1. So change in pressure, PB new minus PB will be difference of these two. Okay, or it will be 2472 1.1 24.7 kg. Okay. Rest of all is calculation, so you can make these calculations.